All right, final two questions. Number 20, the graph following the passage offers evidence that gift givers base their predictions of how much a gift will be appreciated on. So here's the graph that I pasted right here. And it says, graph offers evidence that gift givers base their predictions on how much a gift will be appreciated. So let's just look at the giver part. And this is the less expensive gift. This is the y-axis is mean appreciation. So less appreciation for the less expensive gift, and then more appreciation goes higher than 6, then whatever, 5.5. So basically they base it on basically the more expensive the gift, the higher the appreciation as the giver's perspective. That's what they think. So we answered it ourselves. We said that the givers base their evidence that base their predictions on how much a gift will be appreciated based off of how expensive the gift is. A, the appreciation of level of gift recipients, no. The monetary value of a gift, well, let's keep that. I mean, the more expensive the gift, the higher the levels of appreciation. Their own desires for the gifts they purchase. That doesn't show anything. The graph doesn't show anything about that. Their relationship with the gift recipients. Again, nothing in this graph shows that. So the right answer is B. Number 21, the authors would likely attribute the differences in gift giver and recipient mean appreciation as represented in the graph to, so again, gift givers think that the more expensive the present, the monetary value of the gift, the higher the appreciation. But if you look at recipient, not necessarily. So doesn't have that same effect. And let's look at, since this is the last question, I tend to look towards the end of the paragraph to see if we can find anything. The notion of gift givers and gift recipients being unable to account for the other party's perspective seems puzzling because people slip in and out of these roles every day, and in some cases multiple times in the course of the same day. Yet, despite the extensive experience that people have as both givers and receivers, they often struggle to transfer information gained from one role, for example, as a giver, and apply it in another complementary role as a receiver. So kind of an inability over here, it's this inability to kind of shift from being a receiver and your perspective from being a gift giver and a gift receiver. So I think that's what the answer is. So the authors would most likely attribute the differences in gift giving and reciprocation as represented in the graph as basically they often struggle to transfer sip and blah 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 blah. Sorry. So they often, so that inability to kind of go from receiver to kind of shift their perspectives from gift receiving to gift giving. So an inability to shift perspective, that would kind of make sense. Let's keep that. An increasing materialistic culture. I don't see anything there. Remember, it has to be in the passage in order for it to be right. A growing opposition to gift giving. It doesn't say anything about it growing up. A misunderstanding of intentions. Nope. It's really right here. Yet, despite extensive experience that people have as both givers and receivers, they often struggle to transfer information gained from one role and apply it in another complementary role. An inability to shift perspective. And that is passage 2.